Whoop whoop! Skin Functional has done it again, introducing our 4% ferment filtrate Gentle Micellar Cleansing Water. This is a versatile product that can be used in various ways based on personal preference. Our Gentle Micellar Water is formulated with brown rice and a unique yeast as a fermenting strain, which contains abundance of active polypeptides, amino acids, lactic acid, phytic acid, ferulic acid, phytate, and sterols, leading the way for an increase in cell activity, repairing of damaged cells, anti-aging, improving the overall skin appearance, and moisturization. Application 1. Wash face with salicylic acid cleansing complex. Apply micellar water to dry face with a cotton round and leave on. Application 2. Apply to dry face with cotton wool all round. Cleanse with salicylic acid complex. Application 3. Apply to dry face and rinse off. Application 4. Apply to dry face and leave on. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this content, please subscribe to our channel and you will be notified every time we release new content. Bye for now.